If you've been following the recent DJI Osmo Pocket 4 leaks, you already know things are starting to move very quickly. The standard Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to launch sometime this month, and over the past few weeks we've seen multiple reports revealing design changes, new features, and upgraded hardware. But now, a new leak has surfaced that might give us our clearest look yet at the rumored Pocket 4 Pro. A well-known tech leaker, Igor Bogdanov, recently shared an image that appears to show the camera head of the Pocket 4 Pro, and this detail might reveal something important about DJI's design strategy. Up until now, one of the biggest questions surrounding the Pocket 4 Pro was the camera layout. Earlier leaks hinted that the device might feature two camera lenses, but the images were blurry and difficult to interpret. Some people believed the lenses would be arranged vertically, while others weren't completely convinced. However, this newly leaked image seems to settle that debate. The photo clearly shows two lenses stacked vertically, one placed directly above the other. At first glance, this might seem like a small detail, but it actually tells us quite a lot about how DJI could be engineering this device. A vertical camera arrangement works particularly well with the compact gimbal design used in the Pocket series. By stacking the lenses vertically, the weight of the camera module stays more centered along the axis of the stabilization motors. This helps maintain better balance while the gimbal moves, which could improve overall stability during recording. And for a device that's designed to capture smooth handheld footage, that balance is extremely important. Interestingly, this design approach is quite different from what we're hearing about one of DJI's potential competitors. According to recent rumors, the upcoming Insta360 Luna may use a horizontal dual camera layout, meaning the lenses would sit side by side instead of stacked. Each approach has its advantages. A horizontal setup could allow for greater spacing between sensors, which may help with features like depth detection or improved zoom capabilities. But a vertical layout might simply work better within the tight mechanical structure of a small gimbal camera, which is exactly what DJI specializes in. So essentially, we may be seeing two different companies solving the same engineering challenge in two different ways. Now when it comes to the cameras themselves, early reports suggest the Pocket 4 Pro could feature a primary wide-angle camera with a large 1-inch sensor, paired with a secondary telephoto lens offering around 3x optical zoom. If that combination turns out to be accurate, it would be a major upgrade for the Pocket lineup, giving creators much more flexibility when shooting. But for now, those specifications still need to be confirmed through more reliable leaks or official announcements. Another interesting aspect here is the timing of these devices. Several reports suggest the Insta360 Luna could launch very soon, possibly even this month. Meanwhile, most sources believe DJI will release the standard Osmo Pocket 4 first, with the Pocket 4 Pro arriving later in the year, potentially sometime around mid-year. If that timeline is correct, Insta360 could actually gain an early advantage by introducing its dual camera concept first. However, hardware alone doesn't determine success. DJI has historically had a strong advantage when it comes to gimbal stabilization technology, image processing, and overall ecosystem support. So even if competitors arrive earlier, DJI's experience in this category could still make the Pocket 4 Pro a very compelling device once it officially launches. For now, we're still in the middle of the leak phase. But if more images and details continue to surface at this pace, we may not have to wait much longer before the full picture finally comes into focus. And when it does, the competition in the compact creator camera market could get very interesting.